What's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a look at how you can use the ECG feature on your Apple Watch. Unfortunately for this video I actually have to have the watch on my arm, so I'm going to have to cut with my hairy arm and just get into it. So first of all, obviously you're going to have your Apple Watch on like this. Once you're there, just press the digital crown once. When you're in here, we're going to look for an app over this side. See the little white one with the red line on it? That's the ECG app. We're going to click on that. So, and what you want to do is you want to put your finger on the little sensor. We'll just restart it, finger on the digital crown like so, and wait 30 seconds. So as you can see, we sped that up there. It's basically TGC saying that I have a high heart rate at the moment because I'm doing this video. I'm in a weird position. Basically just saying, gives you some things. It also says that if you believe that you are, suffering medically or something like that, you're feeling sick, like heart attack or something, or heart problems or anything like that, you should definitely call emergency services like it suggests. Once you click done down here, it's going to send a notification to your iPhone. We're going to put those on screen now. It's one from a previous one before you get a notification on your lock screen if you enabled health notifications. Or you can go to the health app and open it from there and it gives you some more information. So that's how you do an ECG reading on your Apple Watch. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.